In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can remove a background from a picture just by using Canva. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Canva homepage like this. It's really super easy. Go to canva.com like this and open your Canva account like this one. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your homepage. So just click over here on upload and click over here on choose file. And you need to choose a picture from your laptop that you want to remove the background from. So for example, I want to remove a background from this picture over here. Okay, I will click on open like this and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here on use in new design like this, and here you go. You just need to choose the size of the picture that you want. Okay, so if you want to create this picture or to make this picture for Facebook post, you can use this size. You want Facebook cover, you can use this size. You want Instagram post, you can use this size, and so on. Okay, so for example, you can also choose custom size if you want from here. Okay, so for example, I will choose Facebook post size. So just click on Facebook post size. You will be directly in this page over here like this. Okay, so to remove a background from this picture, just click on this picture like this and click over here on edit photo, and you should see over here a background remover. Okay, click on background remover and here you go. Your background will be removed from this picture. It's really super easy and simple. Okay, that's how we can remove a background from a picture using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. After you finish, guys, you can click on share, you can click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop, and that's it. And this picture will be download to your laptop, and that's it. It's really super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.